Hi guys, my name is Johan from Restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to fix some play in a rear wheel hub. Now the play is because the cone nut is too loose, and if you look correctly you can see that I can actually unscrew it just by hand, so it was really loose. And what you need to do is you need to tighten the nut in such a way that the wheel does not show any more play and but spins freely. So first off, I'm going to tighten the nut. You don't need a lot of force to do this. Actually, you need very little force. Just that it fits snugly and doesn't show any more signs of play. That's it. You don't have to screw it any tighter than that. And then behind the cone nut is another nut, and I have a washer in between that actually fixes the cone nut into place because it's not tight enough on the bearings themselves. You can't tighten that. And if you do that, then you should have a freely spinning wheel without any more play. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and drop a like. If you have any questions or suggestions for new videos, leave a comment below. And you can also visit the website restoration.bike for more background information. I wish you all the best with your own bike restorations, and I hope to see you on the next video. Cheers.